So today's video, we're talking about 5 amazing reasons why you should sew, make and design about making your own yoga clothes. So my name is Tania Sutherland, and not just about the fashion and style identity and turning fashion or any kind of talent and skill into a business. It's also about the self-discovery journey of discovering who you are and working through any areas of your self-identity through self-empowerment, just for you to kick ass and to be the best version of yourself. If you love this kind of content, then please don't forget to press the subscribe button down below and also share and like and leave any comments down below. I would love to connect with you. I'll leave the link down below of my entire new yoga collection pattern that I have created, plus including kundalini as well as meditation. So this is all about yoga, taking these patterns and you are creating your own look. Let's look at 5 reasons why you should sew, make and design your own yoga clothes, or have it made by someone else for you. The first one is you are customizing it to your personality, to your liking and to your style. You're not just choosing something from that's off the rail that you had no other option but to buy because it's all that they had. Now you're customizing the fit as well as the colors. Adding on to that, you could even make these colors in the chakra colors, in the 7 chakra colors, which are the colors of the rainbow. When you rock up at yoga and you actually are wearing the colors, you're wearing one of the colors of your chakras which you are working on, or you're balancing, or you're aligning, or you're more aligned to that particular chakra and you're working on it. You know how powerful color energy is. I'll even leave the link down below of the color personality that you can check out. The second point would be cost effective. Think about it. You can go to the store and buy fabrics that you can afford, and the patterns, and make up your own cost-effective yoga collection. Number 3 would be sustainability. So now you are creating clothes that are more sustainable because it's your option of designs that you are creating. You know that these particular designs, you can wear them for many, many months and many years. And also you're using a fabric that's more eco-friendly and you're using all the scraps, you're not wasting it. How about skill building? Now this goes into number 4 and number 6. So it is not just skill building, it's also competence as well. It's also building up your confidence by you learning new techniques and new skills in your sewing or pattern making or the changing of the patterns. So you're improving your sewing and your designing skills. You are learning how to adjust the patterns, to get the patterns to fit your body size as well as your body proportions and length. You're designing styles that suit you, that suits your image as well as your personality. The more time you're building your skills, the more experienced you're going to become. Therefore, your confidence level is definitely going to elevate. And when when you've got more confidence, you definitely can take on more things in your life or in this particular area. What stops you from even turning your yoga collection into a little sample collection and even start taking orders? So now you can turn it into a business. It is to do with your creativity. Now, we are creative human beings. You know how powerful creativity is. On a psychological basis, when you are starting something and you complete it and you finish it and you wear it as well, that absolutely makes you feel that you're a kind of person that when you start something, you finish it. Your word is your word. It completely elevates your self-esteem as well. So the creativity about making your own yoga clothes, you can make them in the colors that you like, the prints that you like. You can take the patterns, change the patterns slightly. You can create that whole chakra colors that reflects your personality and your style. And of course, your garments that you are making, they are unique to you and totally authentic to your style. So you are going to arrive at any yoga studio looking totally unique, radiant and confident, and people are going to stop you and ask you, where did you get that? And what are you going to say? I made it myself. Oh, I had it made for me. Doesn't it just make you feel really good about yourself because you're stepping into your own uniqueness as well as the fact that you are doing yoga? turning this into a self-discovery journey. So don't forget that your skills, your talents, is all part of your life purpose, doing what you absolutely love, building and growing your confidence as well as your competency.